Let's focus on the j sound that can be heard in the beginning of words like in jet, in the middle of words like in banjo, and in the end of words like in badge. To make the j sound, keep your teeth together or just a little apart. Raise the middle part of your tongue and keep the back of your tongue down while not touching the roof of your mouth. Let the air flow out through the small space between your tongue and the roof of your mouth. Your voice is on, so you should feel vibration in your throat. J, j, j. It's now your turn to say the j sound. Today, we'll learn how letters make certain sounds, and how we use those sounds to decode and read words. The letter J is a consonant that makes the voiced j sound, like at the beginning of the word jet. We'll use the j sound when decoding a word with the letter J. We'll say each sound from left to right, then blend the sounds together to read the whole word. Let's practice decoding a word with the j sound. First, look at the word. Then, say each sound from left to right. Remember that the letter J represents the j sound. J, t, jet. It's now your turn to decode the word. Great job! You just decoded and read the word jet. Have fun practicing decoding words with the letter or consonant J, which makes the j sound.